My name is Wanda and I'm an alumni from Coding Temple. Before I started Coding Temple, I was working for an events company. Programming was hard because I'd never really done it before. For my final project, I did a fully functional e-commerce site for my little side project, and once I hit run and everything came together and you saw the code that I'd written up there, that's when I knew I was like, well, I can do this. The instructors were really good. I was able to message them off hours and on weekends whenever I was stuck or going through questions. If I came in on Fridays, I would be able to talk one-on-one with them, and that made all the difference. The challenges I faced jumping into programming were things like confidence. I wasn't sure I was able to do something like this, something so tech. Other things like not having a background in technology were big too, but I think it was just a lot of different reasons. So after I graduated Coding Temple, the process of me getting a software development job, I relied heavily on the business development here at Coding Temple. They helped set up different interviews. I was able to get several interviews, and I landed a great job at a really global software consulting company. At different boot camps, they had a different style of teaching. This was a lot more one-on-one personal, and the classes were a lot smaller here, and I felt that made a huge difference in why I was able to learn so quickly.